Yep, I'm having a whale of a time. So as you might guess, this is the 2022 Super Adventure S. I replaced my 2015 with it. Today, last night and today, I've mostly been installing the Touratech mount with the locking mount as well. Got that connected over into our ACC2, which is our switched power. But I'm also putting Outback Motortech skid plate and upper and lower crash bars on this. Now I did replace the foot pegs to the SW Motec Ion, and then realized that I've got to take these off again. To behind here I need to fit the plate for the skid plate. The single worst job I have ever done on a motorbike, and I'm not skilled in any way whatsoever. This is a lot easier than you would think it is. The worst job I have ever done is this spring in here. And I was about to start crying when I realized that, having replaced these already, that I've got to come and take them off again to put that bracket in. I did see some people say that you can hold this spring together with cable ties. I just could not. When this was off, to take it off, you've got to push a retaining clip from underneath. I've actually switched this one around because of the brake pedal. Over here there's a little circlip. If you get two flathead screwdrivers and just push at either side of it, just make sure you don't lose it. That comes off, the washer comes off, this pin will come out. You might need to tap it from the other side. This will come out. That spring can go like a rocket, so be careful with it. If you keep a bit of pressure on it as that pin comes out, make sure you've got a pair of gloves on. That will come away, the spring will come out. When that spring is out, it is next to impossible to get pressure on it to get a cable tie around it. So what I tried to do this time was I actually threaded a cable tie under one side and onto the other. Then got a bit of pressure onto it by lifting this up, tighten it down, and eventually I got it tight enough where I can now take out this retaining pin. This should stay like this. I can get the work done that I need to, and then when this goes back in, you can put the pin in just a little bit to kind of hold it in place, maneuver your spring, and then tap it all the way through, get your washer and your retaining clip back on. This is going to save my life for sure, so hopefully that's helpful for anyone else who wants to replace their foot pegs. See you soon.